Hello and welcome to today's wave flag tutorial, a simple yet powerful and beautiful movement. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the wave movement with a single hand. If you're only using one flag, I'm going to show you with two flags doing the wave motion simultaneously, as well as the chasing effect. We're going to do three different levels. We're going to do waist level, we're going to do high, like shoulder width, and we're going to do low at the knee. We're going to do all of the motions, and then we're going to add some turns at the end just to kind of show you how the different levels and the different, when you add stuff to it, it looks totally different. Today we are using a medium size child medium angel wing poly silk. At the end, I'm going to show you these movements using the adult medium, just so you can kind of see the different effect when you have more material. So I'll show you with the adult, and then if you was to use a large, you would see the more fabric, the movement look bigger. All right, so let's get started right into this tutorial. Okay, first we're going to demonstrate without the flags. I feel like this is very helpful. Even though it's a very simple movement, I think it's helpful to see it without the flags, because sometimes the flags cover your hands. So for the wave movement, you are, even if it's one or two flags, you are here, here. This is the standard level. Then if you wanted to do high, you would go here. And if you wanted to do low, you would go here. So that's with two flags. If you wanted to do the chasing motion, it would be here, here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, I'm going to show you with the turn. With the turn, I like to add the ripple effect, so kind of like a ripple wave. It just add dynamics to it. So if you're doing a turn, you would do here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You would just literally take your wrist and make sure it's loose, and you would have the fabric do this. That makes that ripple movement in your wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down low, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. High. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's start with the flags. First, we're going to do single arm. So if you're at the place that you're only comfortable with one flag, what I like to do when I first learned how to flag, if I only used one, I always kept my other arm active, which means that I just had it moving so that it doesn't stay dormant, to get it ready for when you're ready to put that extra flag. It's already used to it. So here is the one flag. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. High. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Low. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Even if you turn. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Now two flags. We're going to do chasing first and then simultaneously. So the chase will look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Up high. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Low. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Lastly, we're going to do them together. Waist level. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. And then up high, you will go here. 1, same time. Low. So with the wave, I like to add this movement with my turns. It gives it dynamics. So with the wave, when you turn, you're going 1, 2, 1, 2. So you're simply just taking the flags and going this, just as you turn. 1, 2, 1, 2. Same thing for down low. It looks very beautiful. Down low, if you was to go here, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you could do the bottom turn. I do this a lot as well without the wave. You could just go here. That looks beautiful too. It's like you're wrapping it around your body. Here and here. And if you wanted to do it up high, this is what it would look like. 1, 2, 1, 2. simple yet powerful movement. If you think about doing another movement and then transitioning into this movement, or starting with this movement, transitioning to another, it's beautiful. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to only do the double flag simultaneously with the larger flags. All right, now this, I'm only doing one motion just for you to see the difference and how it looks with more fabric. This is the adult medium angel wing poly sew. All right, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, up high, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, low, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, turn, 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 low on your body, low around your body. All right, so that was just to show you the difference. Let me show you the two of them together. All right, same fabric, both mediums, just to give you a comparison. I don't know if you can see it, but much more material on the other side. Okay, so I realized that it was really hard to see the sizes with blue on top of blue. I'm not sure if the camera picked it up. So I ran and got a white adult medium so that you could see it more effectively. So this is the child, and this is the adult. So as you can see, the adult goes all the way over. So this is the difference. If you was ever wondering, child medium versus adult medium has about a 36-inch rod. And I want to say the child medium is about a 30. The demonstration today for the child medium I did with the fiberglass flex rods. You can get that in different, you can get that in wood, but all the rods in the demonstration is in flex so that you can see their full movement, all right? Okay, thanks so much for watching. I pray that this tutorial, even though it was simple, that it would be helpful for you. Watch it as many times as you need it. Practice as much as you need it. If you're not comfortable with 2 flags, start with 1, okay? So this is one of many. I plan on doing different videos, 1 tutorial at a time, so that it's not overwhelming and you can pick which one that you want to kind of like focus on, because it may be something that you are already comfortable with, all right? So until the next video, thank you so much for being a part of this channel. If you made it to the end of this video, my name is Kalita Simmons, and I am so glad that you are a part of the family, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.